So today's video was actually recorded a few months ago during flounder season, but I could never get it off my phone until now. So we are going to fillet and stuff the largest flounder that we have ever caught. To start off, we're going to grab the flounder under the gills and use a fish scaler to scale both sides of the flounder. Some people use a spoon or a knife. We've just found that the fish scaler is way easier. Once completely scaled, you're going to grab the flounder again underneath its gills, and right here is where the belly is. We're just going to go ahead and cut off the head. A lot of people cut straight across, but this is how you lose out on a lot of meat. So cut it at an angle so that we get the most meat out of our flounder. You can then go in with a pair of scissors and finish cutting the remaining bones. Once the head is removed, with your knife, cut down the back of the flounder, making sure to cut the layer of skin and not all the way through. With your thumb, roll the top of the fillet back and cut the bones away from the meat. Slowly glide your knife down the backbone towards the outer fins, carefully making sure not to poke through the skin. Once you have both top fillets laid open, insert your knife just under the rib cage and separate the fillets from the bones just as you did on the top part. As you can see, the knife is just gradually breaking apart those bones. You're going to apply some upper pressure just against that rib cage just to ensure you get the most meat possible. As you can see, all the bones are now away from your fillets, and we are just going to go in with our scissors and cut down both of the sides and then cut it off on the bottom part. And you have a completely deboned flounder ready for stuffing. For our stuffing, we do it a little bit different each time around, but we're going to use one green and one red bell pepper, cutting it to our liking. I have seen people do onion and celery sauteed in butter too. Honestly, you can add in whatever you would like. To our veggies, add 1 bag of crawfish tails and 1 bag of salad shrimp from Kroger. Obviously, we would have loved to use fresh ingredients, but we didn't have any this time around. For our seasonings, add in 2 tablespoons of Ragin' Cajun or Tony's and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. To season the flounder, we're going to do onion powder, garlic powder, lemon pepper seasoning, more Ragin' Cajun, pepper, and a little bit of salt. You definitely want to make sure that you add in a lot of seasonings just to make this super flavorful, because you do not want it to be bland, because that's going to be a waste of fish and a waste of your time. I did add the seasonings into our veggie mixture, so we are just going to pour that into our flounder. If you've never tried flounder before, I would definitely recommend it. Let me know what your favorite type of fish is down in the comments. But we are just going to finish this off with 3 big globs of butter, fold over the fillets, and then top it with some sliced lemons. We placed ours in the oven at 350 for 35 minutes, and this turned out so good. You could serve this with like a side salad or some zucchini. Honestly, when it's just Sheldon and I eating it, the flounder is definitely enough for us because we add so much stuff into it. It's like a main course and a side dish all in one. But if you need some more meal ideas, check out this video here, and I will catch you guys next time.